Every thought we think is creating our future. You have the power to choose which thoughts to nurture. Louise Hay. Hello and welcome. If you're here, chances are you've been drawn to the idea of ancient knowledge, magic, and tapping into that mysterious, powerful energy that flows through all living things. Today, we're going to explore something fascinating: how to activate your vital energy, often known as life force or chi. This knowledge has been passed down for centuries across different cultures, each with its own unique perspective, but at the core, they all speak to the same truth: we each have the potential to harness this energy to transform our lives. To begin, let's clarify what we mean by vital energy. It's not just an abstract concept, it's a real, tangible force that influences our mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. In many traditions, this energy is believed to be the key to health, creativity, intuition, and even magical abilities. Ancient cultures, from Chinese medicine with its concept of qi to Indian teachings of prana, have long understood that when this energy is flowing freely through the body, we feel alive, vibrant, and connected to something greater than ourselves. Now, you might be asking, how can we access or activate this vital energy in our daily lives? The good news is, it's not as difficult or mystical as it sounds. While different traditions offer various methods, the foundational principle is always the same: bringing awareness to the present moment, connecting with the body, and cultivating a sense of inner harmony. It's about balancing the energies within you, and once you do, you'll start to notice subtle but powerful shifts in your life. One of the most effective ways to activate your vital energy is through mindful breathing. Breath is life, and it's no coincidence that in many ancient languages, the word for breath is synonymous with spirit. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your chest and abdomen expand. As you exhale, imagine any tension or stagnant energy leaving your body. Try this simple exercise for just a few minutes each day, and you'll likely feel more centered, more focused, and more energized. But breathing is just the beginning. Physical movement is another key to unlocking this energy. Practices like yoga, tai chi, and qigong are designed specifically to open energy channels in the body, allowing life force to flow more freely. These ancient disciplines have been practiced for thousands of years, and modern science is now beginning to recognize their benefits for both the body and mind. Even simple movements like stretching or walking can help activate and circulate your energy if done with intention and mindfulness. You might also consider the role of diet in maintaining your vital energy. Ancient wisdom teaches us that the foods we consume carry their own energies, and choosing high-vibration foods, like fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can have a profound impact on your vitality. On the other hand, processed or heavy foods can weigh us down and block the flow of life force. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat, chewing slowly, savoring each bite, and expressing gratitude for the nourishment you're receiving. Another aspect to consider is your emotional and mental state. Our thoughts and feelings directly impact the flow of energy within us. When we're stressed, anxious, or consumed by negative emotions, our energy becomes stagnant and blocked. Practices like meditation, visualization, and journaling can help release these blocks, allowing the energy to move more freely. A simple daily meditation practice, even if it's just 5 minutes, can make a world of difference in clearing your mind and restoring your inner balance. Now, let's touch on something that might be less obvious but equally important: your connection to nature. Nature is one of the most potent sources of vital energy. Just think about how refreshed you feel after a walk in the woods or by the ocean. Nature's rhythms are harmonious and balanced, and when we spend time in these environments, we naturally attune to that energy. If you live in a city and can't always escape to the forest, even small actions like caring for plants, spending time in a park, or simply opening your window to let in fresh air can help. So, we've covered breathing, movement, diet, mindset, and nature, but what about the role of intention and belief? This is where the idea of magic comes into play. Ancient traditions often speak of magic not as some supernatural force, but as the ability to shape reality through focused intention. When you direct your energy with clear intention, you become the creator of your life experience. Whether it's through prayer, affirmations, or rituals, setting a clear intention sends a powerful message to your subconscious mind and the universe, aligning your energy with your desires. The ancient knowledge behind magic teaches us that we are not separate from the world around us, rather, we are active participants in the creation of our reality. When you begin to understand that your thoughts, emotions, and energy have a direct impact on the world, you unlock the potential to create profound changes in your life. This is why rituals and ceremonies have been an essential part of human cultures for millennia. They help focus our energy and intention, creating a space where transformation can occur. Now, let's talk about the importance of balance. In many ancient systems, like Chinese medicine or Ayurveda, health and vitality are all about balance, between yin and yang, fire and water, masculine and feminine. If one aspect of your energy is out of alignment, it can create disharmony in your life. It's important to take time to tune into yourself and ask, where am I out of balance? Are you overworking and neglecting rest? Are you giving too much of yourself to others without replenishing your own energy? Identifying these imbalances is the first step in restoring harmony and unlocking your full potential. One powerful tool for maintaining balance is grounding. Grounding techniques, such as walking barefoot on the earth or visualizing roots extending from your feet into the ground, help anchor your energy and connect you to the stabilizing forces of the earth. When we are grounded, we feel centered, calm, and more capable of handling life's challenges. As we move further into this exploration of ancient wisdom, it's essential to touch on the idea of energy centers, or chakras, which are often mentioned in spiritual teachings. These energy centers, located along the spine, are thought to regulate the flow of vital energy throughout the body. When one or more of these centers are blocked or unbalanced, it can lead to physical, emotional, or spiritual discomfort. Practices like meditation, sound healing, or even simply placing your hands on these areas with loving attention can help restore balance. The root chakra, located at the base of the spine, is particularly important when it comes to grounding and stability. If you've been feeling scattered or anxious, focusing on grounding exercises like breathwork, visualization, or spending time in nature can help restore this foundation. From there, you can work your way up through each of the chakras, opening and balancing your energy system as you go. Let's not forget the power of gratitude and love in this process. These two emotions are among the highest vibrations we can experience and are incredible tools for raising your energy. When you practice gratitude, whether it's for the food you eat, the people in your life, or the beauty of a sunset, you open yourself to the flow of abundance. Love, too, is a potent force for healing and transformation. Cultivating self-love and compassion for others allows you to align with the natural flow of life force energy, strengthening your connection to yourself and the world around you. Let's now explore another essential aspect of activating your vital energy that often gets overlooked: the power of sound and vibration. Sound has been used for centuries as a means to heal, uplift, and transform our energy. Ancient cultures understood that different frequencies and vibrations resonate with different parts of the body and spirit. Chanting, drumming, singing bowls, and even humming can be incredibly effective tools for shifting your energy. The vibrations from these sounds penetrate deep into your being, breaking up stagnant energy and allowing your life force to flow more freely. In particular, chanting or repeating mantras has a profound effect on your energy field. The repetitive nature of sound not only calms the mind but also aligns your vibration with the specific frequency of the mantra. Different mantras serve different purposes. Some are designed for healing, while others are meant to bring about focus, prosperity, or peace. The beauty of working with sound is that it bypasses the intellect and works directly with the body's energetic systems. You don't need to figure out how it works, you simply need to allow the sound to do its work. In addition to sound, working with crystals is another method that can support the activation of your vital energy. Crystals carry specific frequencies that can help balance and amplify your energy. Each type of crystal has its own unique properties. For example, Clear quartz is known for its ability to cleanse and amplify energy, while amethyst is often used for its calming, spiritual qualities. By holding these stones during meditation or placing them in your environment, you can enhance the flow of energy in your space and within yourself. Another often forgotten but crucial element in working with vital energy is the act of letting go. We tend to hold on to so much, whether it's emotional baggage, limiting beliefs, or past experiences, that it blocks the natural flow of energy. Releasing these attachments can feel like a weight lifting off your shoulders, allowing energy to move more freely through your body and mind. This can be done through practices like journaling, talking to a trusted friend, or simply acknowledging and accepting that some things are out of your control. The more you let go of what no longer serves you, the more space you create for new, vibrant energy to flow into your life. Lastly, let's discuss the importance of silence and stillness. In a world that's constantly moving and filled with distractions, finding moments of stillness can be incredibly powerful. When you allow yourself to sit in silence, you're giving your energy the space to settle and realign. This practice of stillness can be as simple as sitting quietly for 5 minutes a day, focusing on your breath, and allowing your thoughts to pass without attachment. Silence allows you to tap into the deeper layers of your being, where your true power resides. Now that we've delved into various ways to activate your vital energy, it's important to acknowledge that your personal practice will be unique. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, and that's the beauty of it. Whether you feel drawn to sound healing, working with crystals, or simply sitting in silence, the key is consistency and intention. This is not something that will happen overnight, but with dedication and mindfulness, you'll begin to notice shifts in how you feel, how you move through the world, and how you interact with others. If you found this information helpful, I encourage you to give it a try. Whether you start with mindful breathing, incorporate sound into your routine, or explore the power of crystals, these practices have the potential to transform how you experience life. Don't underestimate the power of small, intentional actions when it comes to shifting your energy and stepping into your full vitality. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. Your support helps this content reach more people who might benefit from these ancient teachings. And if you're interested in diving deeper into these topics, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on any future insights. You can also share this video with friends or family members who might be curious about activating their vital energy. Sharing the knowledge helps others take that step towards a more energized and balanced life. Plus, it creates a ripple effect where more people can discover these transformative tools. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences or answer any questions you might have. And of course, if there's a specific topic you want to explore in future videos, let me know. This channel is a space where we can all learn and grow together. Lastly, don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. That way, you'll be the first to know when new content is available. Your engagement is incredibly appreciated, and it helps keep these conversations going. Together, we can continue exploring these profound ideas and applying them to our daily lives.